Welcome to a Blender tip. This will explain how to paint normal maps in real time. This is simple. Delete the default cube, add a plane, Shift A or space to bring up this menu, plane, scale it up for convenience, right click on the edge, split area, select UV image editor, go to edit mode, U, unwrap, image, new, default settings, add a new material, texture button, add new, image, select the arrow, untitled, go into textured mode, go up to game, GLSL materials. As you can see, the lighting's real time. Duplicate the lights. And sometimes it takes a few seconds to kick in. Okay, now the next thing we do is we create a new texture. I'm going to go back into the material buttons and disable it so it doesn't affect the actual material. Selecting clouds. I'm just turning normal size down and the noise depth up. Hard noise to get a more defined effect. Node editor. Click texture nodes, add new, use nodes, delete the default input by pressing X, add input, texture, the cloud text, select the cloud texture, space, go to add, converter, RGB to black and white, connect this if it hasn't already connected, space, add, converter, value to normal, up, change the nabla all the way up to 10 to make it more, all the way up to 10 to make a more defined normal map. Go into texture paint. Okay. Before you do that, change the image texture here, select normal map, and in the map 2 section change off color influence and change it to normal influence. Select the plane, go into texture paint, go into the node texture, and your normal map has begun to paint. This is very slow at the moment because I'm screen recording at the moment, and that's a bit buggy. Oh, as I have forgotten to map to UV as well. Map to UV in map input to UV, so it will. And now take a look at the results. Delete the two lamps, we'll get a more defined result. And we're done. So that is how to paint normal maps in real time. This can be used for the making of painting scratches into an object, or painting pores into skin. It's essentially for very, very fine details that people often use sculpt mode to put in, when using methods like this is far more efficient.